Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday the 7th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which has still got a degree of sort of settling that it needs to do following on from that big flash crash that it saw on Thursday. It sort of turned a bit more risk positive, the market, on Friday. Subsequently we saw a bit of a rally, but the dollar sort of slipping back, a little bit of an underperformer today, so subsequently we're seeing dollar yen falling over again. But ultimately I think it's just the market settling, and you can see that looking at the hourly chart where the market sort of fluctuated around, just rallied with a little bit of higher highs in the last sort of couple of days. But it's interesting that 108.10, which I've spoken about on Friday, 108.10, that old reaction low from last year, has become a basis of support again, and started to sort of hit and become a basis of support in the European session today. But ultimately, I think once the market settles down, I think it's going to be falling over again, because you've got this this downtrend that's intact. You've got the momentum indicators which are deeply negatively configured, and would suggest that rallies are a chance to sell, and I think that's going to be the way this plays out. I think you're going to get a lower high again below, sort of in the range 108.10 to 109.75. Once you get that sort of lower high, I think it's going to start rolling over again. Big overhead supply, I think, around that 109.75 area, so I think rallies are still going to be seen as a chance to sell, just as this sort of overstretched position just unwinds a little bit and helps to renew downside potential, but still sort of not positively configured yet on the hourly chart. So I think it's just a fact of the market just settling down still, but once that happens, I expect the negative outlook to sort of take hold once more. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.